You must have 2 aluminum bars, 4 end mounts, and all other necessary mounting hardware inside the box. The most important thing you need to do before starting to installation is to line up the bars side by side and check their lengths. Most likely, you will notice that one of the bars is longer. If so, you should use the longer bar for the front of the vehicle. Remove the protective sticker from the aluminum bars. Another factor to pay attention to is that the rubber surface should face upwards.
You must see the aluminum bar from the window here. If needed, you can adjust the length, but don't move it further than number 3 line.
Insert the R-signed end mount to one side of the bar and L-signed end mount to the other side. Make sure that thick side of the bar is facing forward. Clean the points where you will place the crossbars and place the product. The recommended distance between the bars is 27 inches. First, tighten the lower screw by 50% and then move to the other side to do the same. Then, move back to the first side. Tighten it fully and do the same to the other side. Finally, tighten the upper screw fully for both sides. Place the little plastic piece referred to as C in the installation manuals, then place the covers and lock them. Repeat this process for the other bar too. Shake the bars in order to check that your racks are securely fixed. Safe travels! If you have any concerns about the installation or missing any parts, please contact us before returning the product.